First fish for Tommy.
Oh,
that might be a keeper. What you got there, Tom?
looks like a. Where's the tape measure, son?
She'll keep. Throw it in there, man. I got to get this pole in. Second fish. I'm going to fling him up in here. Oh, it's a decent one.
Yeah.
If he gets off, we'll just catch another one.
Good one. Good fish. Good fish.
Got him right in the bottom. Hail Mary. Oh, that's a 16-incher all day. We might have our first drum of the year. If nothing else, it's getting...
Oh, that's a good fish. That feels awful drummy. Feels awful drummy. Nope.
Oh, that's awful. We're going to release that one, Tom.
Yep, no net there.
No net.
That's a foul hook.
Foul hooked. But that's 3 in about 5 minutes.
We're sportsmen here.
Yeah.
On the AR.
At least today.
Good one?
Yeah, we're going to net him.
All right.
It's drummy.
All right. That'll work.
Fourth one.
That'll work.
In about 10 minutes. Tom Dean, best net man in the game.
What?
I got her.
Clear.
Good hustle. He's got number 5 on. You want a net?
We'll fight. We good. Oh, there's one chasing him.
Oh.
There's 3 of them chasing him.
Oh,
Can you get that on camera?
I don't know.
Did you see it though?
Yeah, I seen them. There was 3 fish chasing, 2 fish chasing that one fish. Like, hey, Oscar, where you going? How big?
I don't think he'll go.
I don't either, but. Oh, no.
Oh, you got a little milk. He's excited little feller. Nope, he's a little shy.
I ain't arguing over ½ an inch.
I'd give him a kiss.
April 5th today. Out here by Mouse Island Reef. Me and Tommy, they let him out on a weekend pass to come fishing, so we got 5, I think, in the box right now. So it's 4 o'clock. We got out here we got to the boat ramp at 3, didn't we?
Back to the ramp at 3.
And
Fishing about 3:25. What time is it now?
it's 4 o'clock.
And we got 3 in the box. 6 talk. 5, 6 talk.
Not a bad day.
Well, there's one.
Fish on way out there.
That is. Feels all right though.
Gonna need a net.
Just lay it up there. I'll get it.
Oh, I gotta get it on time. Whoa!
Got my beer over.
It was empty. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, there's one behind it.
Yep.
Let me see if I can get that on camera. That's a good eater right there.
Yeah, you see that one chasing?
Yeah. What'd you get that on? A purple jig?
Let's see here what I have.
Purple.
Purple hair jig. Purple hair jig.
That's a good 18-incher. Nice.
Oh, look. Main hook in the mouth, too.
In the mouth.
Oh. A little bit of milk. Yep,
18.
18. You called it.
Turned into a nice day.
You called that Thursday. Look at this window. Look at this window.
Yeah, I did. It's like, man.
You're like, just look. You'll see.
You'll see what I'm talking about.
Yep, there she is. 2 to 8.
So we need 8 more to call her a day. Right?
There he is.
There he is somewhere. Oh, yeah.
That's a decent one.
It'll keep. It'll keep.
There he is.
Oh, yeah.
Got the net.
Got the net.
Nice little one.
Yeah, we're at the point now where if it'll keep, we're throwing her in.
All right. Nope.
There's the old reef bobber again. On the stinger. Perfect. That's a yeller. That's part catfish.
A little milky and decent.
Got me a decent one on here.
All right.
Just lay that net right there. I'll get her. Well, that's a good one. Just lay there.
Good time for a double.
Yeah. Woo, that might be a sheep's head. Oh, that's a good one.
Good fish. A little bit deeper water.
That'll eat. I got him hooked everywhere. Oh no. "21 foot. We're gonna get a count here.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 of them.
3 more. Oh, you good?
Yep.
Got it?
Yep.
Well, it's 5 o'clock. We got here about 3:25. We've got 9. We just counted. I got video of them on the GoPro. I don't have my son here videoing for me, so you won't see me a whole lot. But
Oh, come on.
Tommy just lost one. I'm gonna get back at it. Whoa. Just hand me the net. Another one on. This should be number 10. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, they all look decent. Ain't that what you said? It'll eat.
Oh, there's number 11 right there.
As we speak.
There it is.
Last one right there.
Oh.
If it don't get off.
Us.
Net.
There she is.
Well, we get to go home.
Oh, popped off.
Perfect.
Yep. Quick release.
Nice.